Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to create elevation. So for example, I will create a simple sketch with these wall tools, like this. And the next, you can add the second floor. I will create the second floor here. Click OK. Now you can see in the floor levels in Project Bros, they are the second level. You also can set into the 3D perspective full overview, and this is for the example objects. And if you want to create for the elevation, you can click this icon, orthographic view tools, and then use the cross-section elevation. Like example, I will set from this point. Can move into here, and it will create the 2D orthographics from the sketch. And now to set for the dimension, we can use the auto dimension by clicking at this icon, and then choose auto elevation dimension. Click yes, and that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to create elevation. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.